Hi, Donna, it's Stephanie from Comfort Eagle Roofing. We are here doing a rooftop inspection on a true architectural shingle. So your roof is tons of fun because it's got all kinds of things going on. You ready? All right, so the first thing I noticed as I came up the ladder is that along your eaves, you have a lot of granule loss. So I was like, well, maybe they had gutter guards or something. And then I realized that your overhang on your shingles is quite a bit further than it needs to be. So basically what's happening is because it's hanging off so far, it didn't have it's not attaching to anything. So the wind's actually able to get up and underneath of them and just pick them up and move them around, which is causing your granule loss all the way along your gutter line, and starting to kind of come up the roof a little. So then I wanted to look to see if there was any like storm related damage. So got a lot going on. You do have some impacts, right, where something has fallen out of the sky and hit it, knocking the granules off. There's a difference between like an impact from like a tree branch, which is probably what this is, and blistering, to an impact from like, say, hail. So what we're looking for whenever we're talking about hail is you can see here where it's pushed those granules down into the asphalt. It's actually clipped the side of this, what they call dragon's tooth. But these are architectural shingles, so your insurance company, the adjuster, is going to be looking for what they call bruising. And some of your impact points have it, some of them don't. So there's, like you can see right here, like the outline of where that one impacted. And then you've got another one over here where you can kind of see that. But what's also really fun is that you have a lot of nail pops, where the nails have started to actually penetrate through the shingles. So on this side, I've counted 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10 possible impacts to the just that 10 by 10 square test square. And then we need to discuss the tree, right? So right now it's getting really precarious because right now it's rubbing on your shingles, which will eventually take the granules right off of them. So definitely want to cut this back, and if we do decide to move forward with the insurance claim, definitely want to get it cut back before your adjuster comes out. So, all right, and then we want to talk about the back side. We'll talk about that top later. This is just easier. All right, so this is fun because it looks like you may have had like some moss growth that accumulated on the roof. So it kind of looks like this, where something has grown into the granules, and when it came off, it took your granules with it. So it made this like a convex feel. Oh, sorry, you don't want to look at my finger. Convex feel. What we're looking for is more concave. So something has pushed the granules into the shingles. And you do have that. I counted 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11 possible impact points to the back side of the roof. Again, though, really the major concern here is the amount of nail pops. These nails actually penetrate all the way through to your attic space. So any water that's getting back into this area has a direct line into the home. So we've got that one there. There's one right here. And then there's one here and another one over there. Oh, and look, you've got an impact point. Woohoo! So yeah. Yeah, it looks like your roof's kind of taken a beating over the years, so I'll be down in just a minute so I can help you avoid the nightmares and the headaches associated with expensive interior damage.